Have you ever heard your family member warn you that pulling your upper tooth will make you blind? It is one of the most persistent and terrifying dental myths in history. Hi, I am Dr. Veena, General Dental Surgeon at ASHIRVAD Dental Clinic, KUDUR, Bangalore South District, and today I will be debunking the common myths that I see on my clinic on a daily basis. To understand this, we have to look how we are wired. Our eyes and teeth are relatively close together. That is why probably the myth started in the first place. The nerves that control vision is called the optic nerve, which is disconnected from the nerve supply of the upper and lower teeth. Getting a diseased tooth removed is the best way to prevent infection from spreading and putting your health at risk. Second most common dental myth that I hear on a daily basis in my clinic is, Doc, I don't want to get my teeth cleaned as it loosens the teeth. If you believe this, you're skipping one of the treatments that actually saves your smiles. Let's talk about the truth. What's actually happening? When you don't clean your teeth properly, soft plaque hardens and gets converted to tartar. And this tartar eats away your gums and finally the jawbone that holds your teeth in place. Why teeth feel loose after cleaning? When you come in for a professional dental cleaning, we use ultrasonic tools to safely remove and wash away the accumulated tartar. Once the bulky hardened tartar is removed, that's when the real stability of the tooth is understood by the dentist. If tooth feels mobile, it's not because of the cleaning that you have gotten it done, but because of the bone destroyed by the tartar which was sitting there for a very long time. Cleaning just exposed the damage that was already done. Skipping cleaning guarantees bone loss and eventual tooth loss. Getting your teeth cleaned stops infection and heals your gums, thereby preventing damage. The third most common myth that I see on my clinic on a daily basis is just baby teeth. They don't matter. They are eventually going to fall off. If you think these little teeth are disposable, you're making massive mistakes as it is going to cost you and your child a lot of dental visits in near future. Let me break it down for you. Baby teeth fall off. Yes, they fall off, but not all at once. Some of the teeth stay up to 12 years of age in your baby's mouth. Baby teeth act as natural space maintainers for permanent tooth. If baby tooth is lost due to decay, the neighboring tooth shifts to that place, leading to teeth crowding. Cavities on baby teeth are harmless. No, they aren't. If the cavity goes untreated, it turns into infection, which eventually damages the permanent tooth beneath it. They usually have two crucial jobs. One, the baby teeth is needed to chew healthy foods like vegetables and meats. Untreated decay causes pain to the patient and the infection, leading to less nutritious diet. Second, healthy teeth equals clear speech. Treat these tiny teeth as if they are made of gold. Don't let myths destroy your smile. Believe science and not rumors. Thank you so much for watching my channel, To Talk Studio, and keep coming to the channel so that you can understand what dentistry is all about. Thanks for watching.